The Shear and But Welding Machine HKCW260B Plus is specialized for welded tube mill line. It is used to cut and weld both ends of the steel strip in a semi-automatic manner to connect conveyor belts for steel pipe production. The materials that can be cut include carbon steel, galvanized steel, aluminum, and copper. The product is designed and developed by the team of engineers at Honkai. It boasts many outstanding features, such as the welding and cutting positions are arranged high up, making operations convenient. Flat cutting blades do not create burrs when cutting. TIG welding technology ensures clean, low distortion, protecting the rolling molds and preventing scratches. The inverter controls the motor speed, driving the welding gun's movement. Speed control is very intuitive and simple. Automatic welding is controlled by PLC. Compared to manual welding and cutting methods, the Shear and But Welding machine helps connect strips faster, optimizing working time for pipe rolling, thereby increasing productivity and product quality. With nearly 40 years of experience in the field of manufacturing mechanical products, along with a team of high-level experts and engineers, Honkai is committed to providing comprehensive solutions, from consultation and installation to warranty and repair, ensuring complete peace of mind for customers. Contact hotline +84 909 073 505 for advice on automatic cutting and welding solutions, or visit the website honkai.com to refer to product information.